Good morning, traders, and welcome to Trading Waves, a short video where we'll be looking at your pound Audi. Very likely that we might be getting some nice trade setup there on your pound Audi that can give us at least about 500 to 1,000 pips. All right, so before that, we are currently running a special that can get up to like 40% on our educational content. Please do take note that we've got a lifetime, a long-term plan that we currently have. It will be discontinued, but you can still take advantage of that plan for the rest of this year. So if you want to pay a once-off fee and then you never want to pay anything again, whatever changes, whatever improvements that we have on the website, then you get to have access to that. A lot of, by the way, there's a lot of exciting content that is coming up. So please stay tuned with us. So please do make sure that you take advantage of that long-term plan. All right, so let's get started here on pound Audi. All right, so pound Audi, this is just carrying over from what we discussed over the weekend when we're doing the weekly outlook. All right, so pound Audi, I do believe that this is going to be a nice one. You don't have to pay too much attention on this one here, but for educational purpose, if you want to learn, you can go through all this. But the main business for this trade idea that we are going to be tracking back to back is around this area here. So we are looking for a pound Audi that it should drop. So what we've seen from these highs here, we are seeing a 5-wave move to the downside here. No doubt about that. That is an impulsively move to the downside. Now we are very likely that we are going to see another drop to the downside here. Now if we have this as our wave A here, based on a wave count, once you have a wave A, obviously you need to have your wave B as well, and also your wave C. So we want to take advantage of this very strong, powerful wave, which is your wave C. Now imagine if you get your wave 3 on your wave C leg, that is going to be a very aggressive move. Right, so what we are expecting right now is that this should we are calling that this is in the correction phase. So we are looking at this here to after completed this 5-wave move to the downside here, this being our wave A. Now we are looking at internally now. This has made a move to the upside, being our wave A, and looking at this here to be a possible expanding flat corrective structure that might still come and take out this swing low here. Then we get a move to the upside, and then from there, that's when we're going to be expecting to see the big drop. So that's the anticipation for now. Please take note, it's not a trade, but we are anticipating that something somewhere around this area here should be calling for some bearish move to that down side. Right, so based on the Fibonacci levels, you would expect that your wave B corrects to at least as far as your 56.1.8 of your wave A. Now, so far, what we've seen here, we've gotten to as far as around your 38.2 here. We had a move to the upside here, and we're looking at this here to be a three-way move structure. So we are very likely that we still yet to see a leg that can get to as far as somewhere between your 56.1.8. Obviously, we are not ruling out the possibility that this can even extend to somewhere your 78.6. But I prefer to see something around between your 50 and 61.8. If we can get the price getting there already, it will be moving correctively because this looks correctively here. If it gets to around this here in this three-wave move, then we will be looking for a short. So against this swing high here, we will be remaining bearish on a pound Audi. Somebody could be asking why specifically that high. So we are looking at this, that anything below this invalidation level here, or your 1.997 area here, or just to round it off, anything below the 2 here, we are going to be looking for a bearish move. Obviously, there are a lot of corrective structure that can still take place here. You can still have something like this to give you a three-wave move higher here. Does not trade all the way. Instead, it just trade low in a three-wave move, and then still give you another leg to the upside as well in a three-wave move before it can actually give us the drop that we are expecting. So those are the things that we get to discuss during our live trading room every day before London Open. So these are the scenarios that we discuss, and then we see which one is very likely to play out. So we've got our live market analysis every day before London Open, where we see what is expected expected for the day. And we also do those charts update every day before London Open, and every day just when New York is opening, we have some updates as well. But for more content, you can tune in to our website, tradingwave-.com, and then you can sign up there or take advantage of the special that we currently have. But let's see, for now, we're going to be tracking this one back to back. Once it gets to around this area here, we will be starting to look for some bearish move to the downside. Obviously, we're going to be using a special indicator that we have just to confirm when this is ready. But for now, I was just giving you a heads up if you want to track this with us, because we will be trading this back to back for our members. Then when it is ready, we will also give a heads up as well. Right, so please do, guys. This is not a trade advice. Whatever we're doing here, it's all for the learning purpose and for paper trading. All right, guys, please tune in into our YouTube page here. You can follow this on our YouTube page, which is Trading Waves. If you like the content, please do hit that subscribe button and that bell notification to make sure that every time when we release some free content, you are notified. All right, cheers, everybody, and have a good one. Trade safe and responsible. Cheers, and bye bye.